Hello everyone, and welcome to this video, where we'll be exploring the fascinating history of electricity. From ancient discoveries to modern innovations, we'll be taking a journey through the key developments and pioneers who have shaped the way we use electricity today. Let's begin with the early discoveries of electricity. Our story begins in ancient Greece, where the philosopher Thales of Miletus discovered that rubbing amber with fur creates a static charge. Thales of Miletus was a philosopher renowned as one of the legendary 7 wise men, or sophoi, of antiquity. He is remembered primarily for his cosmology based on water as the essence of all matter, with Earth as a flat disk floating on a vast sea. This discovery was the first recorded observation of the fundamental principles of electricity. It wasn't until centuries later that further experimentation led to the discovery of electricity's practical uses. Next, it's all about the age of enlightenment of electricity. Fast forward to the 18th century, and we see the emergence of electricity as a field of study. Benjamin Franklin is one of the leading figures of early American history. He was a statesman, author, publisher, scientist, inventor, and diplomat. Born into a Boston family of modest means, Franklin had little formal education. He went on to start a successful printing business in Philadelphia, and grew wealthy. On June 10, 1752, Benjamin Franklin was said to have flown a kite during a thunderstorm, to collect an ambient electrical charge in a Leyden jar, enabling him to demonstrate the connection between lightning and electricity. Franklin became interested in electricity in the mid-1740s, a time when much was still unknown on the topic, and spent almost a decade conducting electrical experiments. He coined a number of terms used today, including battery, conductor, and electrician. He also invented the lightning rod, used to protect buildings and ships. Alessandro Volta was an Italian scientist whose skepticism of Luigi Galvani's theory of animal electricity led him to propose that an electrical current is generated by contact between different metals. Volta's theoretical and experimental work in this area resulted in his construction of the first battery. Volta found that electricity could be produced by just stacking alternate layers or disks of metals zinc and silver in a saltwater bath that would allow current to flow. This was the invention of the battery, the device described in Volta's article on electricity in 1800. During this time, inventors such as Benjamin Franklin and Alessandro Volta made important contributions to the understanding of electricity, including Franklin's famous kite experiment and Volta's invention of the first battery. Let me give knowledge on the age of electric industrialization. By the 19th century, the practical applications of electricity began to emerge. This period saw the development of the first electric motors and generators, leading to the widespread use of electricity in factories and homes. Nikola Tesla, Serbian-American inventor and engineer, discovered and patented the rotating magnetic field, the basis of most alternating current machinery. Thomas Edison was a prolific inventor and savvy businessman. He acquired a record number of 1,093 patents and was the driving force behind such innovations as the phonograph, the incandescent light bulb, the alkaline battery, and one of the earliest motion picture cameras. Innovators like Nikola Tesla and Thomas Edison made significant contributions to the development of electric power systems, which allowed electricity to be transmitted over long distances. Now, we're going to look more deeply into modern innovations. In the 20th century, electricity continued to evolve and change the way we live our lives. The invention of the transistor, followed by the integrated circuit, made modern computing possible. While there are advances in electronics allowed for the development of electric cars and renewable energy technologies such as solar and wind power. Today, we are more reliant on electricity than ever before, and innovations in battery technology, smart grids, and microgrids are transforming the way we generate, store, and use electricity. As we look to the future, new technologies such as fusion power and superconductivity hold the promise of even greater advancements in the field of electricity. So, that's a brief history of electricity from its early discoveries to modern innovations. As we move forward into the future, it will be exciting to see how electricity continues to transform our world. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.